Great, sashashumfathi rasesibode nayishashaza ngathi le nto yabokufika isiba yingozi manje. Angifuni ukwanda kakhulu ngamagama futhi singididelela ivideo nizwele lo sise esho laphana ukuthi abantu be-MK bametheni and amavideo ayatrenda enkundleni nje ku-social media. But let's hop on it.
Okay guys, I've been crying. I got right. Okay, so today we were attacked by MK. They came through to the salon. Abazi ukuthi isalon yami ise-Amen Shopping Center. Ikanozi unozi mina. So bafikile I think last week and osisi basesalon they notified me ukuthi ayibo yazi bekufika abantu be-MK bebuza ukuthi ubani own abafuna i-own kanjani ngathi mina own mina. And then kwashiwo ukuthi bazofika Friday. So mina ngafika esalon today because I knew bazofika. And unfortunately I had a lot of things to do. So ngathi ukuhlala shuthi kube ukuhamba kwami bafika emva kwami. Guys, there's a video that I posted of them attacking osisi basesalon. They were harassing umuntu wesifazane. Abantu besilisa guys lab. I'm not going to mention laba abantu besifazane that were there praising. I'm very happy ukuthi kusesalon yanozi just because they are all jealous ukuthi siyasebenza. Sisebenza kusesazi story sethu. So into engifuna ukuyazi ke I understand ukuthi kune agenda angazi baso achievani angihlangene anginandaba. Let me just say that because I'm not a person othanda impi nokulwa, but mase ngicikekile I do fight. Mhlawumbe ukuba bengikhona kube uNkulunkulu uthi ngingabi khona ngoba ukuba bengikhona I was going to stand there with Lisa. Mhlawumbe ngabe khona ushonile phakathi kwethu ngoba nami I am very angry. I do not understand ukuthi amadoda amadala kanje ya angakwazi ukuthi akhulume nomuntu wesifazane kanje belwe bebuka a member of MK ezoshaya usisi osebenza esalon uzomshaya ngaliphi. Guys, kanti kukwenzakalani? Mina ngifuna ukwazi, ngifuna lama politicians, ngifuna lo baholayo because bekhona lapha umile neskipe screen. He's just there. Now he cannot control lento ayiqalile ngoba men expect ukuthi kube uyena ozokwazi ukucontrol i-crowd. So kuyamhlula just because bafuna ukwenzani, bafuna ukulandela abaholi abaphezulu ophakela umthathu. Angaze ngibabone mina behluza abantu abamnyama, angazi ngiyaqala ngalapha. And the sad part is that there were a lot of people wearing much too much t-shirts. So now ne much too much isizoqala ke siyangena ekuthenini manje kuzohlukunyezwa umuntu omnyama mina isalon yami mina unozi. So ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi ke mina senze njani nje sikwazi ukutshela ukuthi sizolimala and then expect ukuthi ifanele sisabe abanye bethu nje. Mina ngihlangani ke ungamani usibeke la isibhamu uthanda ngihlanganishe ngisanganela ngizokutshela ukuthi indoda ngihlangane. So ngifuna ukuthi ke bangitshela bafunani. I want them to tell me ukuthi bafunani because I cannot stand them for them to keep harassing abasebenzi. I cannot stand that. Ingani zabantu lezaya. If anything happens to them ngiyochaza ngithini mina? Ngiyothi kwenzakaleni kubona. Kosanini ke namhlanje ngikwazi ukuthi ngesalon ngiyobacheck ukuthi ba right. Ayekho umuntu olimele. Kunama clients lapha kunezingane benza yonke le nonsense kugcwele izingane lapha esalon. If kuthiwa bekulimazwana bekuzokwenzakalani? Guys, ngicela nishare le video because ngifuna bangiphendule. Lama politicians ngifuna ukuphenduleka. Labo sisi laba isikhathi esishayayo. Hayibo. Hey, cha chef.